My dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss the Merchant of Venice characters in the play. Before we enter into the characters, we need to discuss something about the Merchant of Venice. So, the Merchant of Venice is a 16th century play written by William Shakespeare, in which a merchant in Venice named Antonio default on a large loan provided by Jewish moneylender Shylock. It is believed that to be written between 1596 and 1599. So these are the characters. I already sent you the notes. If you have, just take it and follow with me. So first of all, the character name called Antonio is a rich merchant in Venice, and as well as he is a well-known person in Venice, and people are believe him because he has a good character, and as well as he is a protagonist in our play. And as second, Bassanio is Antonio's close friend, suitor to Portia. So which means he is a very close friend, like they are just different side of a same coin. So that much they are very good friends. And Bassanio is a suitor to Portia. So here he is a suitor to Portia. That's why I just mentioned. So how we can relate to each other? That's why I just mentioned here. I just mentioned one, and Portia here. So I just mentioned one. So which means that we can relate each other. And third, Gratiano. Gratiano is a friend of Antonio and Bassanio, and he is in love with Nerisha. Nerisha is a character in our play, so we just mentioned as two here. So Gratiano and Nerisha, they are both our lovers. So that's why we need to relate each other. We don't want to confuse ourselves. That's why I just mentioned two here, and Nerisha here I just mentioned two here. And fourth, Lorenzo. Lorenzo is also a friend of Antonio and as well as Bassanio. So and he is in love with Jessica. So here Jessica, I just mentioned three here, and then I just mentioned three Jessica here. And next, Leonardo. Leonardo is a servant to Bassanio, and as well as most probably he is a slave to Bassanio. And which means that that's the reason why we just call sir. So sir, which means they in English, in Dutch, if they are called sir, which means slave I remain. And next, Salarino and Salanio and Salario. So they are also a friend of Antonio, Bassanio, and as well as they are just sharing the messages. They are always passing the messages to Antonio and Bassanio. Most probably the Salario is a messenger from Venice. So when Antonio has a trouble in Venice, so he is the one who sent to inform that Bassanio Antonio is in trouble. So because Bassanio gets a large amount loan from Antonio, so because of his name, Bassanio used Antonio's good name, and they just get a money from a great money lender Shylock, and they are the messengers sent from Venice to inform you that Antonio is in trouble. And next, in our most important character, Shylock is a Jewish man. He is a rich Jewish man and moneylender, and he is a antagonist in our play. So which means he is a villain in our play. And next one, so Jessica. Jessica is a Shylock's daughter, and she is a Shylock daughter, and as well as in future she is a wife of Lorenzo. And next, Tubal is another Jew, and he is a friend of Shylock. So same like Antonio and Bassanio. They are here in antagonist. Shylock and Tubal both are very close friends. And next one, Lancelot Cobo. Lancelot Cobo is a clone and as well as he is a servant to Shylock. So and later he just become a servant to Bassanio. So clone, which means is just present him as a comedian. So that is the reason why it just mentioned as a clone here. And next one, Old Kobo. Old Kobo is a Lancelot father and as well as he is a blind man. And as well as he is also a servant to Shylock. And next, Portia. Portia is a rich heiress. She is in Belmont. And next one. And as well as Portia is a future wife of Bassanio. And then Nerisha is a waitress, which means she is a servant of Portia. Then Balthasar and Stefano. So those both are the servant to Portia. So here they are the male servant to Portia. So here what we have to discuss here is that so how the characters connected each other. So here Bassanio is a love affection with Portia and Gratiano love affection with Nerisha and Lorenzo has a love affection with Jessica. So these are the characters involved in the Merchant of Venice. More than that, the Duke of Venice, he is the one who given the judgment to the Antonio and Shylock. So here he is the one who given a judgment to those two things. So because on last minute only he is a king. Okay, he is a king in Venice. And here the Prince of Morocco and the Prince of Aragon and as well as the Bassanio. Those three are suitors to Portia. And finally Bassanio won the casket and then he married Portia. So these are the characters which is involved in the play. And as well as, dear students, this action, okay, those actions of the play takes place in Merchant and same as well as in a Belmont. Okay, those two places where the takes place in the play. Thank you, my dear students.